together.
Receive heirloom organic seeds delivered to your doorstep every month. Access expert grow guides, videos, and tips.
Discover new exciting seed varieties every month.
Together, we build sustainable communities, one seed at a time. Every seed is worth it.
New juicer.
Wow. Mom, I'm gonna make a juice like this.
Smell good.
Wow.
See that? Ouch.
Got a big old nerve.
That definitely left a lot of juice in there. Boy. Ah, see it? Ucha. It's my dog. That's my dog. Come on. You gonna get a bath another time. Come on. We're gonna take your lady to get washed up because, you know, she gotta get ready to move inside. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Here. Here. All right. We see you in a bit. You getting washed next, okay? We're gonna hay this up for you, though. We're gonna put a lot of hay around it so it ain't so muddy for you. All right, bro? See you.
Does that feel good, Katara?
4 washes for the 40 bones?
5.
Or 5 washes? This one ain't coming out. You see them feet, girl? She gotta make sure her feet clean. She don't want them dirty feet under her. We get them pits, girl. We get them pits, girl.
Look at her belly.
Them ears. We get them ears. She's a good girl.
So they blowing it down.
You see this one? This is a good girl. She came in, she was smelling all the food in there. Like, this
Bella was
good.
too.
Bella was?
Yeah. We should get them some treats. Oh, they got some in the car.
Let me get that back. You see her? Turn that way. You get her back leg. Yeah, we definitely got to get one of these built in our barn.
Yeah.
You still smell like a dog, so I'm guessing you ain't clean yet.
Well, it smells like dog in there, so.
That's true.
There's more like dog in here.
I go like this. You don't step, okay? Because that kid comes along with you, okay? I'll help you out. You don't got to get out there. How are you going to be fine? We're just washing you. Head up. Hold on.
Don't. Why would you do that?
She be in the rain, playing in the rain and shit. Sometimes she can't get a little water in her face. Don't trip, y'all. I got the chain nice and loose. She's not getting choked. And she know the direction to go. She don't want to. Ah! Scoot up, come on, scoot up. Turn that way, turn that way.
I would say this is worth $10 a pet wash.
Yeah, it is. I was gonna wash it again, but it's like, don't get off the dog.
I think she good. I just need to put some. Katara, I'm gonna put some coconut oil on your paws. I should have brought it. Yes.
Come on, don't shake what you got. Whoa!
You think, all the soap is out of her now? Well, you can blow her. It's okay to leave a little soap in there. Shoot.
I'm we're gonna dry her.
Oh, there's 2 stations. I thought there was one. I didn't know there was 2 stations. Why didn't you do her in the other station? Why did you do her in this station, not the other station? Oh, there's 3 stations. There's 3 stations.
Okay. Come on. This small dog way easy.
Y'all look so cute. The little dog.
Here, pour this on her, Marley. Pour it on her. Pour it on Bella. More. You missed it. Pour it on her.
All right.
Relax. Sit down.
We forgot the treats. You want me to go get her a treat?
Nah, we get it when we leave.
How much soap you need for Bella?
So what?
How much soap you need for Bella?
How much soap?
For Bella, yeah, she good.
Yeah, she the stankiest one.
It's okay.
Relax. I need you to sit down and relax, please. What? The soap?
Katara,
Pour
sit.
more.
Sit, Katara. Sit.
Are we done with that? There's a lot of soap for this little dog.
Bella's used to get in sink washes from a vine. I used to put her in the sink.
Oh, bougie Bella.
She's like, this is where dogs go.
These should be on the floor though. I don't like them up here.
What?
I want the wash. I wash them be on the floor.
It's over there. The second station is on the floor. And the third station is just like that.
Look at this dog. She better not jump. Look at her. Just be doing the most. Female dogs, I swear. And this tent was not like this. It got real windy back here and it tore it down. So I'm about to go ahead and take that up. But look at her. Who she thinks she is? Lion King? And look at Woo. He just sitting there like, damn, what's going on? She just there, ears flapping in the wind. You better not jump.
You better not jump.
You better not jump.
Katara.
I'll tell you, female dogs are something else.
No. You can't tell me the water.
All right, she don't come on down.
Yay! Katara, you jumped.
Look at the blackberry bush. It got so big. She definitely need peeled back. They going on the trail run. So we about to wrap this up, but first we got to get the tarp. Woo! What a beautiful rising it is to be me. What a beautiful rising it is to be you. Let the sun shine. All right. What's up, puppies? We got to grab tarp real quick. All right, so look, you can still see where the water comes. It's been raining, all right? All right. So the goal was to put these rocks up to here, where Charlie said, but I kind of ran out of rocks. But as you can see, it's not as wet as it was before. Here go the tarp right here. What the hell? Lay down. What y'all doing? Y'all was not supposed to come up out of there so smooth like that. Woo, stop it. Stop it, please. Come on. They got out so smooth. So this was to our RV. And so instead of buying a new tarp, we're gonna just use this one. Damn dogs. All right, we gotta go put y'all up because Bella gonna be barking the whole time. Let's look, make sure. Ooh. All right, it's good. We can close her on up. All right.
No.
I know that's your painting. You hold that so it don't fly off. Molly, get down. Get down. I'm coming down. Yeah, go down the ladder. I'm about to come down, okay? So since the straps won't work, Kylie, we're gonna take this. We're gonna wrap it all the way around there. All right, grab it in. Let's see. Grab it in. Yeah, that in. And hold up, make sure. Hold up. That ain't the in. So we're just gonna keep wrapping it until we think it's secured. Watch your step. Oh yeah, let's tuck that in so we don't have no trippies. The tarp online to buy to cover this up was like a couple $100. I'm like, man, we still got the old one. Yeah. Good thing we got this rope right here. Oh, damn. Are we good? All right, there she is. Got her all wrapped up. So gonna throw some bricks on the side just to some extra support. But yeah, she wrapped. Hey Marley, we're having salads and we're making a dressing and mommy needs a lemon. Can you go ahead and grab that lemon off Lucinda? Oh, don't put your hands up there. She got spice on her. Go ahead, pull it. Oh, she ain't letting go. All right, go ahead. Pull it. Good job. Let me see the puppies. We got a seed. You know we saving that. Cut the pepper. Save the seed. Cut the pepper. Save the seed. Cut the pepper. Save the seed. See, Bella's saying it. Ain't that right? Say, cut the pepper, save the seed. These are just some lettuces that we have in there right now. Some dill. We're in the process of filling them all up, but no need to rush. Yeah, say no need to rush. So yeah, these are gonna produce so much lettuce and so much dill that we're not gonna have to purchase it from the store any longer, because this gonna get us out to the outdoor grow. Yeah. And how you harvest it, you just chop it and then just keep on growing. So yeah, this is a lettuce grow tower. We got some compost scraps right here. So these green buckets right here, you can get these green buckets for free. You got to go to our YouTube channel and type in free resource green buckets and you can find those. And I'll also drop the link in the description so you can go right to it. Yes, free green buckets. You can use them for composting. You can utilize them to growing food. You can do lots of things with them. And so as you can see, we got our compost pile right here. I'm about to go ahead and yak some up and go ahead and throw this up in there. Just getting ready for garden season. This is the scraps we collected throughout a little time. So it's time to get them rolling and get them in the rotation. Look at you. You got paint all over. Did you have fun painting? Mm-hmm. Go do a flip. Go do a flip.
Look at my baby paint.
I see. Oh, wow. Let's see a flip. Go ahead.